Welcome to my assignment services. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of academic writing. Whether you're working on assignments, theses, dissertations, or academic papers, this video tutorial will guide you through the basics to help you succeed. Introduction to academic writing. Academic writing is distinct from other forms of writing, such as content writing, news writing, or blog posts. It's characterized by its formal structure, precise language, and systematic presentation. Let's explore what makes academic writing unique. Understanding the basics. Academic writing involves presenting text with proper context, syntax, grammar, and punctuation. It's used for various purposes, including assignments, theses, dissertations, textbooks, journals, industry reports, conference papers, and proceedings. One crucial aspect is avoiding common terms and slang unless necessary or instructed. Academic writing aims to provide a deep understanding of the topic, ensuring clarity and precision. It's important to remember that while graphs, figures, tables, and appendices are not mandatory, they can significantly enhance the impact of your work. Knowing your audience and purpose. Understanding your audience and purpose is essential in academic writing. Be clear about your purpose, whether to inform, persuade, argue, or reflect. The writing process. Remember, writing is a process that includes pre-writing, planning, drafting, revising, editing, and proofreading. Each step is crucial to producing a polished final product. Using an appropriate academic tone. Maintain a formal tone in your writing. Avoid using second-person, slang, and conversational terms. Academic writing should be more formal and precise than everyday conversation. Properly citing sources. Familiarize yourself with the required citation style, whether it's APA, MLA, or another. Always cite sources correctly, whether you're quoting directly or paraphrasing ideas. References and citations. References and citations are integral to academic writing. They provide credibility and allow readers to verify the sources of your information. Plagiarism in academic writing. Plagiarism is a serious concern in academic writing. Copying text without proper citation can lead to copyright issues and academic misconduct. Proofreading and final checks. Once your assignment is complete, ensure it meets all the requirements, contains no plagiarized content, and is properly referenced. Proofread your work thoroughly to eliminate errors. Aim for clarity and coherence in your sentences, and avoid overly complex language. Academic writing is a skill that requires practice and attention to detail. By following these guidelines, you can produce high-quality, original work that meets academic standards. Thank you for joining us today. For more tips and insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Happy writing!